check out this room in Cebu. Ooh, so nice. See the bathroom. Love it. Good morning from Cebu. So today's a bit of a chill day for us because we didn't get to the hotel till like 1 a.m. this morning. So we're going to drop off our laundry because it is a little bit disgusting. And then we're going to, well, I'm going to get a bubble tea, but David doesn't like bubble tea. So I'm going to get it by myself and we're going to go head for a fort to have a little bit of a walk around. And we're just going to have a chill day because we have to get up at about 3:30 a.m. tomorrow for our exciting tour. This place is so cute. David, go on.
What is it?
It's black sugar milk tea.
Black sugar.
It's very sweet.
Oh.
You got pearl.
What's that thing?
How is it?
It's like a jelly bean.
That's a pearl. Do you like it?
Not really.
It's okay because I like it. Guys, it is like 2:50 a.m. right now and we're just going to finish up getting ready before we head out for our adventure to the day. Thank goodness we had a really lazy day yesterday because I think we ended up both falling asleep by like 6 or 7 o'clock, which means we're not super tired today, which is really nice because it is such an early morning. Honestly, I have no idea what time this tour is going to end today, so I think it could be a really huge day, but I am really excited because we're going to be doing a lot. So yeah, I'm excited for the day and I can't wait to bring you guys with me. Are you gonna try the, come on David.
Should I?
Yeah, do it. I've done it before.
It's very relaxing.
Okay, I'm like, oh yeah. How's it feel, David?
It kind of tickles.
Okay, so I just want to brag about something really quickly, but I traveled to the Philippines for 10 days with these 2 bags. That was it. So this was obviously just have like my passport and my phone, things like that in it. And this has all my clothes and my bikinis, everything. I'm quite impressed with myself. So fun morning so far. We're trying to leave Cebu to go to Manila, and we had a flight booked at 2:45, which had a delay till 7 p.m, which obviously we would miss our connecting flight through to Sydney. So we've just quickly talked to the Cebu Pacific staff, who were honestly absolutely amazing, and got them to put us on another delayed flight, which is hopefully, I think, leaving about 2. So hopefully this flight will go on time and we'll be able to make our flight to Sydney and get home. But so far, honestly, this trip has been pretty crazy in terms of travel. So let's hope we've got some better luck